So last week we went up in Tanay to have our little impromptu camping slash hiking trip. Camping kasi we stayed overnight. It's actually a campsite in Tanay. There are lots of campsites in Tanay. And in my last video, I promised to share what's in my camping bag. So here goes. Hey guys, we're filming my what's in your camping bag. I got this from Decathlon. This is their 20-liter hiking bag. So first let's check my accessories. Of course, my alcohol. And the front pocket contains all my anti-mosquito stuff. So I have 3 bottles of homemade botanical lotion made with natural ingredients and essential oils, plus my mosquito spray, a pair of socks. This is for my face because it's a little dry, and my hands-free camping light. There. Okay, next I have my water bottle, and this packs a lot. So on the top pouch I have my mic, which I'm using right now, my ID, and some money, and my pen. Next I have my phone. I have my change of clothes, my survival wallet. So I have wet ones, I have some money, and tea. 360 cam that we don't really use. Fan because it gets hot. Eco bags for laundry, tissue, cooling powder. This is my survival bag. So everything is here: cosmetics, swabs, medicines, everything. Next, sunblock, more sunblock, plastics for trash or laundry, wet laundry. I have my card case, sunblock, sunnies, and I have 3 power banks because we're camping and there's no power. I think that's all. That's all. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other camping essentials that I might have missed, don't forget to comment them down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Just listen.